her leg?
Yeah.
About her leg?
Are we walking in here?
Yeah, we're.
Is
Well,
there no
if you
kids
don't want to
here?
walk, you can get
No,
in.
walking's fine.
Ah, bolis! Aquí, bolis, bolis!
We already had one up there.
Bolis!
Oh, there's a little bird cage right there. Oops, this guy's done for the day.
Niñas, niñas, niños. That's one of our signs saying you have to sign up for the computer. Hola, Carla. Hola, Juan Pablo. Niños, ¿quieren bolis? ¿Quieren bolis? Okay, the gringos are here, they're saying. The gringos.
Oh, here comes the kids! Where's the ices? Oh gosh, cute. Where's the freezies?
They all have shoes, but they won't wear shoes unless they have to.
Freezies!
It's amazing because they don't even look at the ground.
Here's the kids!
Rápido! ¿Quiere bolis, Alberto? Allá.
Come on!
Hurry!
That's it. Know how to make friends quick this way.
¿Vas a escuela? ¿Quieren bolis?